welcome to Nifty Bank Nifty live analysis. So as we can see, Nifty has been going down all the way, even yesterday and even today, even after opening slightly positive, it has become negative. Now on the hourly chart, one thing which is very important, it is will get into the good gap zone, which is around the 17,000 zone. So even if I bring in small technical level, it is very much clear that 17,000 will be a very key level for Nifty. So a quick reversal can be observed from 17,000 zone, and you can basically look out for a good trade from this zone. But as of now, Nifty is clearly in a very strong sell mode. Now, if we try to bring out on the smaller time frame, it is very clear even after the green dot getting some kind of support, again selling pressure is very high. So we need to wait out for this zone, and around the 17,000 and 16,900 zone, we would like to look for a quick reversal happening from this area where the prices go down, and then let him form W, and we can look for the buy trade on Nifty. So as of now, selling pressure is very strong, and we can also see from option data, max put is at 17,000, but let's see from the dynamic option data if it suggests that 16,900 to 17,000 zone, is there a strong possibility of reversal or not. So considering the data of today, starting from here, let's see on smaller time frame, there's been a continuous slide in Nifty. Let's see if there is a good support for Nifty on the downside. So as we see the OTM 9th December option, 17,300, 200, lot of OI is built up, 100 is also built up, that's fine, but majorly we are interested in 17,000 zone. So 17,000, 29,000 people are there, so that's good. Even at 900, 11,000 people are there. Let's understand in last 2 hours, has there been a good amount of support? No, not that much, but still 7,000, which is not very great, but 7,000 can act like a small base of support. So there is not huge possibility of good support happening in 17,000 zone, but because max put OI is already there in that zone, and we have some kind of built up happening, so this can give you a sharp reversal. Now in order to catch sharp reversal, obviously we need to wait for the pin bar or a shooting star, inverted hammer, something like that to form at the bottom, and then you can look for a sharp reversal. Else you can basically wait for a quick structure to get formed at the bottom before picking out the trade. But one thing which is very important, it's going down very sharply and very quickly. Okay, so that is very clear that if the pressure is there on the downside, which is very clear over here, sharp reversal activity can take place if the trend line is being broken on the upside. So one thing is very clear, I will try to look out for the trend line structure to be broken on the downside. So let it just fly all the way down, and then if it breaks on the upside, then we can look for possible trade for an upside mode. So let it kind of go down fast, and once it goes down fast and if it breaks the trend line, then you can look out for a quick buck of trade over here from 17,000 to 16,900 zone. Now that support needs to be provided from Bank Nifty as well. So let's see how Bank Nifty has been delivering. So Bank Nifty, if you actually see, not been making new lows. So it's Nifty today, which is just going one way down. And if you actually see over here, from the bottom, it has reversed all the way to the top, and there was some selling pressure right at the top. The selling came in, but ideally, Bank Nifty can also come down all the way towards the day low, which is around the 36,000 zone. So 36,000 zone coming down to almost 35,900. Again, max put is also there. So let it also go down, make a new low. So I would basically today look out to take a trade in Bank Nifty rather than Nifty, because Nifty seems to be much more slow, and we can, sorry, it's not slow. Nifty seems to be much more in the bearish mode. Sharp reversal can happen in Nifty, but that can provide a good effect on Bank Nifty also. So we would like to wait for Bank Nifty also to kind of make new low. Okay, and we should wait for it to make a new low from the morning low, and if it makes a new low from the morning low, it can give you a sharp reversal again over here, breaking above the trend line. But yes, we'll try to see if you have 35, 800, 900, if there is some kind of support building up in the live option data also or not. So let's quickly check that out, and if that is there, but today I would say Bank Nifty seems to be much more robust than Nifty. So we would like to basically look for Bank Nifty reversal trade rather than taking out for Nifty. So let's find the option data. On the bottom side, we are just trying to look out. So 36,000 is by far, if you see 43,000, so that is by far the maximum. Why not even on the higher side? So that clearly tells me that yes, 36,900, 800, this zone will be a quick reversal zone. But if it sustains below 36,000, a sharp selling can also come, right? So Bank Nifty can give you one more big dip on the downside if it goes below 36,000. So 36,000 will be make or break zone for Bank Nifty, and you can see on the downside, no big put OI has been built up. So downside support is very, very less. So one thing is very clear, 36,000 zone will be very, very critical. This one we can see right in the morning also, it did come down, tried to sustain below 36,000 and jumped up very, very fast. Now, if it goes down again, comes down and makes a new low around this zone and does a reversal, we can catch that. But if it breaks down, okay, then we can have a sharp downside move also on Bank Nifty. So we have to keep a strict stop loss if you want to take a buy trade. And if things go worse, like if your stop loss gets triggered and the low is being broken once again, on the downside, I would suggest you to take a sell trade. So ideally, one thing is very clear. We are trying to go for buy trade on Bank Nifty, which is kind of uh, taking the trend line on the upside and making a new low and a sharp reversal. All that is fine. But if you, as I'm saying, if you're trying to take a trade, keep a strict stop loss as the low of the day, because if the low of the day goes out and 36,000 is not being breached again on the upside, you can have a sharp fall right over here on the downside as well. So this will be a tricky situation today, because if it tries to go up, let's say if it tries to go up and it does not sustain about 36,000, you can basically have a sharp downfall in Bank Nifty today itself. So there can be a sharp move happening in the next session, in the second half. So it is very, very clear to understand that if the 36 is not being taken out, again I'm repeating, if 36,000 is not being taken out on the upside, we have to be very, very clear that it can basically give you a downside move. So let us try to see if it breaks the trend line on the upside, very good, sustain about 36,000, then you're safe, a good upside can come through. But if it does not go above 36,000, it goes up and it again gets kind of rejected from 36,000 one time, two time, and it completely makes a couple of bottoms over here, like a trend line over here, and breaks it on the downside, I will go for a sell trade. Okay, and that sell trade will come very, very fast. Okay, so you should be very, very careful now when you're trying to take a buy trade, stop loss getting triggered, try to see multiple times buying support being taken, and if that trend line is broken, go for a sell trade. It will give you more risk reward rather than buy trade, right? So both are open because Bank Nifty has shown some positive strength today, even after Nifty going down. That's why I'm looking for a buy trade. Otherwise, below 36,000, as we have seen the option data, it will be under severe pressure if it sustained below 36,000, right? So then we can look out for taking a sell trade on Bank Nifty with an amazing RR. Well, that's it for Nifty Bank Nifty today. Kind of sharp move has already taken place from the day high. They have already come down, Nifty and Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty has come down, but Nifty, we can clearly see, has been just running down one way or the other, because all the IT stocks like Infosys and TCS are also on the downside move. If you see, TCS has gone down almost like 200 points, and if you see, even Infosys has gone down yesterday also and today also. It's been one way down move in IT stocks, and that's where the two heavyweights has been pushing Nifty on the downside. HDFC sideways, Reliance has also from yesterday and then again today has been going down. And even the mover like ITC has sharply gone down. So trying to show some kind of reversal, but because of TCS and Infosys today, Nifty is in severe pressure. But yes, reversal can come through in Nifty as well. As I said, there has been a sharp pressure on the downside. But if Nifty kind of goes towards the 17,000 zone, okay, you can basically have the reversal also coming through. So we will also watch out for that, no doubt about it. But the kind of strength which is shown by Nifty in the morning was not there. But yes, sharp reversal from the 17,000 area is quite possible. But if Bank Nifty sustains below 36,000, it can again bring Nifty back to the day low. So let's wait and watch how things progress. Trying to go for buy on the Bank Nifty side and trying to go for buy on Nifty from the prescribed areas. Otherwise, I will not take a trade. And if in Bank Nifty, if it does not sustain above 36,000 and it keeps going down, and I would like to go for sell trade also in Bank Nifty. So I'll open for both today, on Bank Nifty for upside and downside, but I feel that downside might not come because here 36,000 area can itself act like strong support and give us a good buy trade itself in the second half. But let's wait and watch how things progress. So that's it. Thank you very much for joining in. Kindly like and subscribe, and also do comment if I can add anything in my commentary to make it more comprehensive. Till then, goodbye.